Okay, then they say open. Remember, you've saved this as 4.1. Now 4.2 says open exercise 4.1. Okay, this is 4.1, and then you save it as 4.2. So we are going to go to file, save as. You browse a memory stick, and then you save it as exercise 2, 4.2. Spreadsheet font Bodoni MT 16 PT. When they're talking about spreadsheet font, look at here. You see there at the top corner of your left, you have something like a triangle. Left click on that triangle, it is going to highlight the whole spreadsheet for you. It is not like in Microsoft Word where you highlight, where you just use the normal highlight like this. You just click there in the top corner. You highlight, and then you change the font to the required font, and then the size to the required font size. Now the instruction: you've purchased 150 t-shirts at the price of 50 rands per t-shirt. Now we want to record. They say you purchase, there's a unit price and the quantity. The unit price, they say the per t-shirt, it is 50 rand. So here you record 50 rand on the purchase price, and then on the quantity they say there were 150. Calculate purchase price amount, cost price, as well as the profit margin. Now here we want to calculate the amount. To calculate the amount, we're going to say equals to unit price multiplied by quantity. So we purchase 150 t-shirts. Per t-shirt it was 50 rand. So we want to check how much did we pay. 7,500. Sorry. And then the cost price row. In the cost price row, they say we need to calculate the cost price as well. We say cost to sum. So you're going to type SUM. Now I'm going to type SUM. It is going to pop in the screen. You double click or you open the bracket yourself. But the moment you double click, it is going to open the bracket for you. And then you highlight the above from 7,500 going down. You close the brackets, then enter. Okay. The other way of doing that, it is to click on the row or in the cell, and then you go there up. Auto sum. You just click there on top of that icon there, auto sum. It is going to highlight everything. It is going to do the formula for you and highlight everything at the same time. And then you just say enter. And then the other thing they say, we need to calculate the profit margin. Profit margin, we say is equals to, we click on the cost price, we multiply that by 20%. We key in 20% as it is, and then we say enter. Alright, and then we need to calculate the last part, the selling price. Selling price, we say is equals to, now we take the cost price plus the profit margin, and then we say is equals to. Alright, let's move on fast. Finally, calculate. Alright, format the figures to currency to decimal places. We need to format the currency. As you could see in my screen, I have R's to indicate that it is the R South Africa, but on the quantity, now that it is the number, I did not put the R. So I'm going to click here on the unit price. Unit price, we want to format to currency, and then you go to number. You highlight first, you go to number, the down arrow, and then you select currency, and then here, when you get here, you check for R English South Africa. You scroll down. If you want to go fast, you can use the down arrow like this until you see R English South Africa. R English South Africa, and then make sure the one that is selected, it is this one, the first one, and then you say okay. So that's how we select the numbers. You highlight the columns that you want to activate the currency on. You go to number, the down arrow, you go to currency, you check for our South Africa. Okay guys, and then what else? They say them copy call sheet to new sheet and rename it to formula. Okay, now how are you going to do that? There are many ways. You can right click on top of the word call. Remember, you have renamed it. You renamed the sheet to, oh, you did not. You rename the sheet to call. How do you do that? You right click on top of the, sometimes it should be maybe sheet 1 or sheet or whatever that is there. You just right click on it, and then you go to rename, and then you go to rename and then rename it to Khan. Now they say you need to copy this and paste it and then rename it to formula. You can copy, right click, and then move or copy, and then you can this one, and then say okay. It is then going to create the other spreadsheet, but the better way to do that, it is to key in the control button. I can't do it now because I'm holding a phone. It is just to key. Make sure you hold in the control button of your keyboard together with the left button of your mouse, and then you just move it. It cannot move at the moment because I'm not holding the left button. And then once it is there, and then you just rename it to formulas. Okay guys, and then what else? Then you print both reading. Yeah, there's no need to print now that we are still online. Okay guys, good luck.